Gon Eat. We just got finished tipping. Had a good day. Supernatural 28th annual. We made it home. You know what I'm talking about? It's always a good thing when you travel 50 miles out, 50 miles in on 13s. We just leaving Ralph's. You dig what I'm talking about? About to go home and get it together. Make us a quick little salad. You know what I'm talking about? Because we had a long day. We can't have nothing heavy. About to do a little sipping just a little bit and get on these videos. You know what I'm talking about? Just for y'all. So that's what it is. We gon' eat. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. We got this thin crust pizza with chicken on top. We're gonna cut this in half and we're gonna stick this in the air fryer. All right, y'all, we got this romaine lettuce. We're gonna cut this up, put it in the bowl. Got the creamy Caesar. This is a creamy Caesar salad. You know what I'm talking about? I'm telling you, tasting real good. You gotta try this. Yeah, look at it, it's creamy. That's what I'm talking about. They say the creamy's not good for us, but hey, do what you want to do. You know what I'm talking about? This is how we get down.
Every now and then it's okay.
Every now and then, yeah. Put the Parmesan cheese on there. You dig what I'm talking about? Dress your salad up to your taste buds. However you want your salad to taste. Can't forget the croutons. You know, you put as many as you want. We just put a few, but it gives you that crunch. You know what I'm saying? That crunchiness. Gotta have that crunchiness. Next time I'm gonna have some black olives in my salad. But yeah.
All right, so here's half of our pizza that we cooked in the toaster oven.
What you gonna do with this pizza now, Trey?
I am going to cut this up, and this is gonna be part of our salad topping. What do we call this? We call this the
pizza salad. This is a garlic cheese pizza.
And we usually cut it up like that, but today we're gonna cut it a little bit more. So with those crouton squares, you're gonna have some pizza squares.
Yeah, now you do it just like this. Make your bomb salad. How you like your salads? And then the topping is your pizza.
Okay.
And we choose the garlic cheese pizza.
Right.
All right now. You have your pizza toppings. We're just gonna put our favorite toppings, our favorite pizza on top of this salad, man. And this is how we get down. Now this meal right here, I'm telling you, try it. It's the bomb. Do it just like this.
Right. It might look weird, it might seem weird, but we're not. Daring. We're very daring people.
Yeah, right. I'm telling you, you're gonna be satisfied.
And you're going to do it again and again.
And you're going to be full. But the cold thing about this meal right here, the fullness don't last long. You know what I'm talking about? Matter of fact, last time I ate this, I was happy after I ate it. How many of y'all been happy after you ate your food? Real talk. This is fire, man. You got to do it. It's just like this. Ooh, look at that. Look at that salad. Stop playing with me. Yeah. Ooh, stop playing. Look, bomb. Try this, man. Y'all let me know. Chopped up pizza salad. Make sure you get your greenery. It's good for you. Look, good for you too. I'm telling you, and it tastes great. We go in.